From here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So see, I told you 12 inches make 1 foot. So if you have to turn inches into feet, you have to divide by 12. You know division? Do you know division? Division you do know. So this is where you use division. Where to use division? Where to use multiplication? These are, okay. Now she is 5 feet and then go up. How many inches she was? How many inches?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So she, how tall is she?
5 feet and 5 inches.
Very nice. She is 5 feet 5 inches. Right? Okay. And how tall are you? Come on, go there straight away. And measure straight away. Straight away. How tall are you?
I am 53 inches taller.
Taller?
Tall.
Taller means when there are two people and you are comparing who is taller, who is shorter. Just I am one person, you cannot say I am taller. No. I am tall. I am taller than Prisha. No, Aditya is taller than me. But you cannot say I am 53 inches taller. That's wrong English. Simple as that. No explanations. Okay. Yeah, only because taller means different. Taller means there are two people. Both are tall. But one person is taller than the other. Only then you can say taller. You are just saying I am 53 inches taller than who? Isn't it? So what do you say? How tall? And look at my question. I didn't say how taller are you. I just said how tall are you? How tall are you? Simple, the way I told you. How tall? That's right.
53 inches tall.
Finished. Listen to the question and answer accordingly. You don't have to go here and there. The answer, the words for the answer are there in the question. How tall are you?
I am 53 inches tall.
Okay. 53 inches is how many feet and how many inches? Find out now. You do it. But now you have to tell me properly. Look at my question. Remember the question. 53 inches is how many feet and how many inches? Go on. Count and do it properly. Now. Just say it now loudly so it will stick in your head. 12 inches, 1/4, 24 inches. Say that loudly so it will stick in your head.
1 foot. 2 foot.
But say the inches I told you now.
12 inches, 2 foot.
12
12
inches.
inches, 1 foot. 12
Again,
inches, 2 foot.
now you see you are talking rubbish. You are not thinking at all. You have come right up to here. This is 12.
24.
There. And you are still saying 12. You are still saying 12. So count properly. Be your mind. Let it be focused. Come on. Count properly.
12 inches, 1 foot. 24 inches, 2 foot.
2 feet.
2 feet.
1 foot, 2 feet. Don't forget. Again.
12 inches, 1 foot. 24 inches, 2 feet. 36 inches, 3 feet. 48, 4 feet.
48 inches you forgot to say. 48 inches you forgot to say. Say it again.
48 inches, 4 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
I am 4 feet and 5 inches tall.
Very good. You are 4 feet and 5 inches tall. How tall is Auntie?
And auntie is 5 inches.
5 inches.
5 feet. 65 inches.
65 inches.
Oh my
All
God.
this whole thing. 5 feet and 65 inches. You forgot to something wrong. 5 feet, yes. And after that, you go right up to 65 inches. How tall is auntie? Auntie is
Auntie is 5 feet.
and
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 feet and 5 inches.
then how can you forget like that? 55 inches. How tall is auntie? The reason why I'm making him say 12 inches 1 foot, 24 inches. You don't have to calculate. You get into the inches must be said. Inches must be said. Why? Why? Exactly. What are you talking about? What is 12? Yes, no, this centimeter has to be said. Inches has to be said. When you are talking about, because 12 can be, 12 inches is 1 foot. 12 pieces it makes a dozen also. So just 12 inches you cannot forget. And you get into that habit. So you don't have to remember every time count. That is fixed in your head. 12 inches 1 foot is not going to change ever. Right? So that is why, and in Marathi we say, we want something to be really fixed properly in your mind. I'm telling you to do some work. Okay? I've given you detailed instructions. But for me to be convinced that you have understood my instructions, what am I told? त्याच्याकडून वदवून घे. Means उनसे बोल लो सब. क्या क्या पूछा है, क्या क्या कहा है, वो सब बोल लो. Make him repeat the instructions that you gave him. That makes me sure that you have understood. This is the reason why I'm making them. Okay? You say it right, that means there is a chance you have understood right. Okay? This is not mugging up. We have explained the whole thing to them. These 12 inches, and he's knowing that. So now it is a question of every time how many feet is how many inches is 2 feet. If he is used to saying 2 feet 12 inches.
24.
2 feet 20, I'm sorry, 2 feet 24 inches. He doesn't have to think about it and count it. Because he has got into that habit. That is why making them talk the full sentences without missing out the important details. All the details have to be said. This is the importance. You talk correctly, that means you are thinking correctly. Right? Okay. Now, how tall is she?